A group of friends dives into a whirlwind of sound effect challenges, using crazy tools like whoopee cushions and squeaky toys. They first mimic classic movie sound effects, resulting in hilarious misinterpretations that have the group in stitches. Next, they create a musical symphony, using only unusual household items, attempting to orchestrate a chaotic but funny tune. Laughter erupts as they try to recreate animal sounds from memory during the Sound Safari Challenge, with uproarious results. Lively subtitles highlight their witty remarks, synchronized with upbeat music tracks to amplify the excitement. The video wraps up with exaggerated effects, inviting viewers to share their own sound effect attempts, ensuring an engaging experience.